Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you that how you can move the contacts on you from your iPhone to Samsung or any Android phone you have. You can do with the same process I'm gonna tell you. So we are moving from the iPhone to Samsung. The first thing you need is the Smart Switch app. You have to download in your Android phone. And if it's Samsung, it's gonna come by default. Otherwise, you can go in Play Store and download that. Just open the app. You also need cable to connect between two phones because it's an iPhone. It's a Lightning port one, and I'm gonna plug in this cable and then okay, I want to close app. All right, connect both phones with the cable. And then you have to open Smart Switch on your Samsung. And then because we're going to receive on this phone from iPhone, so click on this and then click on iPhone. So you can do by using Wi-Fi as well, but we are doing using cable, which is much more faster. Let me show you the contacts first. So we have calls here. We have not much contact, but I'm just gonna create one to show you guys. Test, and I'm gonna create one more. Test 1 2 3 4. So we have two contacts here, right? So I'm gonna click on next using cable. Allow Smart Switch to access your iPhone. Click OK. Yes, we have cable inside. Let me try it again. Okay, now it's working. Connecting to transfer your data. So it's scanning this phone basically. So it's showing all the options here as well. So because we just need contacts, I'm going to deselect all, only click on calls and contacts. And when you go down, transfer, it might be very quick because it's just only two contacts here. Okay, as you can see, it's showing two items of 1 MB being transferred. So, okay, click next, done. I'm just gonna double check. So I'm gonna swipe up, click on contacts. So as you can see, test 1 2 3 4, which I just created on this video, is moved here. So I'm sure you understood how to do that. And if there is any confusion still, let me know in the comments below. I will definitely help you. Thanks for watching and have a good one.